Hey, what's up, VeChain holder? Before you selling a VeChain coin, just watch this video. I hope you don't sell it again. So let's get start a video. But before I get start a video, please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update. I am updating you every single day. Okay, so this is a very good news for a VeChain holder because we have one more day and this month. Therefore, I want to please don't sell it. You can see here the people are selling now. You can see here the result has gone down, the price is gone absolutely down. So this is very bad because you can see here 0.73%. Absolutely, this is a very bad change. You can see here this is absolutely very bad change. So don't sell at me this time because I hope they can go up. They can go up like a rocket and tomorrow. Okay, so wait for tomorrow. We have one more day when this month, so don't sell it. Thank you so much. Don't sell it. What's your opinion? It's your choice to you sell it, it's your choice to you buy it, but I share you just my opinion. And please you also share your opinion in a comment box because this is very important for me because I am also hold, so I know to this is I also need to this is buying time or selling time. So please share your opinion. Okay, but my opinion is that to don't sell it today and wait for tomorrow because tomorrow is the last day and today as a very, you can see here everyone can sell it. So don't sell it today. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, see you next time.